SEO isn't dead, but it's definitely changing. With AI search results and zero-click answers, it's easy to see why people think SEO is losing its value. But today, we'll break down what's actually happening in search, why SEO still matters, and how you can adjust your approach to stay relevant. Let's jump in. There's a few reasons why people think SEO is over. First, Google is now giving answers right on the search page through AI overviews and zero-click snippets. People are getting all the information they need without ever clicking through. Additionally, AI tools give pretty much anyone the power to create quality content. And with the amount of AI content flooding the internet, it's become harder than ever for websites to stand out. Younger audiences are also using social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit for quick searches and answers. With 46% of Gen Z and 36% of millennials preferring to use search on social media over traditional search engines, we can understand why people are starting to doubt SEO. The competition is intense, and ranking in search takes a lot more effort than it used to. Even with all of that, SEO is far from dead, and here's why. Google still controls the search market by handling close to 90% of searches worldwide. To put this in perspective, Google's top competitor Bing only accounts for 4%, so we know that sites that rank well will still see steady, high-quality traffic. Plus, the visitors who do scroll and click through tend to be more valuable. They spend more time on your site, they engage with your content, and they convert at a higher rate. Marketers are reporting that SEO still delivers the strongest ROI, with company websites and blogs leading the way above all other channels. And also, don't forget that AI tools need to use search engines to find information as well, which means strong SEO will not only rank your site higher, but will also boost your chances of being listed and cited in AI answers. So it's safe to say that SEO is still very much alive and can bring in high-quality traffic, but it's evolving quickly and requires consistent effort to stay effective. Now, an important question to ask is, how exactly is SEO changing? Well, website authority and trust have become just as important as keywords and weigh heavily in rankings. It's vital to build your brand by establishing credibility and a strong online presence that people recognize. Search engines are also prioritizing different types of content, specifically in-depth content with original insights that AI can't simply replace or generate. Because of this, bloggers writing articles over 2,000 words are seeing much stronger results than articles with 1,000 words or less. Another major point is that SEO isn't just about Google anymore. It applies to almost all social channels and even AI tools as well, which is why it's so important to optimize for every platform to make sure that audiences can find you. So what does all this mean for you and your strategy? Well, to succeed with SEO today, focus on creating content that adds real value, shows originality, and goes deeper than what quick AI summaries provide. Content like this will attract engaged users and increase visibility. You also need to build authority through backlinks, refresh and repurpose existing pages, and maintain a strong online presence. When your brand is recognized and trusted by visitors, your site is more likely to become a go-to source in the search results and AI answers. It's clear that SEO is still effective for growth, but don't rely on it alone. By following your audience and combining social media, email, and all other relevant platforms, people will discover you more often, allowing you to build a stronger, sustainable flow of traffic. Well, that pretty much wraps up today's video, so hit subscribe if you found this helpful, and we'll have more on the way.